Do you want to make 23 million Jamaican dollars before 2023 is over? A career you can start in Jamaica is unclaimed recovery services. I had a client recently that basically made his money off finding people who didn't know they had unclaimed funds out there. According to a Jamaica Observer report, there are 235 million unclaimed funds currently from the year 2021 from auctions of imported vehicles at the wharf. When these funds are not claimed by the owners, the money is given to the government. The last money given to the government was $45 million. These funds are from the auction of vehicles at the Jamaica Customs. People basically cannot or have not paid duties on their imported vehicles. These vehicles go into auctions and there is money left over for the owners. But the owners do not check on the proceeds of the auctions and have considered the imported vehicle a loss. What if you were able to trace these vehicle owners and have them claim their money for a commission of the profits? Let's do the math. Let's say we charge 10% and it goes through our attorney or legal team. How much money would we make? Our attorney would act on our clients with power of attorney to claim the funds. I will need to seek more legal advice on this. Now 10% of $235 million is $23.5 million. Yep. That's what you could make from an unclaimed